In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a dashboard that pulls data from your Jira account. And to do this, I'm going to use the free web app, StyleBI. So I started by signing into StyleBI. Going to click Connect to Data Source. Going to scroll down through the data sources, select Jira, Create. Now I'm going to start by having Jira Cloud selected because I'm pulling data from the Jira website. Next, I'm going to enter my domain. Once you enter your domain, the URL section should show the URL that you go to when you view your Jira server online. Next, I'm going to enter my username. And next, I'm going to enter my API token. I'm not going to show my token, but I'm going to include in the video description a URL from the Jira website where you can view and create API tokens for your Jira account. So now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click OK. Next step is to create a query. Select Jira. In the endpoints that are available from the Jira API, they do not offer one where you can pull multiple issues. They only offer one where you can pull a single issue. So because of that, I'm going to create a custom endpoint so that I can pull all of my issues at once. So I'm selecting custom endpoint, no template endpoint, and then I'm going to enter this custom suffix here, which I will share in the video description. Now, this suffix will pull the issues from this particular product that I have named test 1 here. So if you use this suffix, you're going to want to change the project name appropriately. Going to uncheck expand arrays. For pagination, I'm going to select iteration. And then for has next parameter, I'm going to enter this string here, the $, a period, then next page token. And I'm going to enter that also for page offset parameter to read. And then for page offset parameter to write, I'm going to enter the same string, but without the $, and the period. Click OK. I'm going to save my data worksheet. Next is create dashboard. I'm going to click through so that I can use the full editor. And I'm going to save my blank dashboard. Click OK. Okay, so now what I'm looking to do is I'm going to create a chart that displays the breakdown of my issues. So I dragged out a chart, going to resize it, click Edit, click through the full editor. And then under Dimensions, I'm going to select ID, and I'm going to convert that to a measure with a right click. Okay, so now issues ID is a measure. Under my chart menu, I'm going to select pie chart, click the check button. Then I'm going to drag issues ID into the x-axis. And now I'm going to drag the status into the color field. So now I have a chart that breaks down all of my issues by their status. Now I want to see who the different issues are assigned to, so I'm going to create a crosstab for that. Dragging out a crosstab. Going to make it a little bit smaller. Click Edit. For my rows, I'm going to select the names of the people that the issues are assigned to. So issues field assignee display name. Okay. And then once again, I'm going to convert issues ID to a measure with a right click. Then I'm going to drag issues ID into my aggregate. So now I have a count of issues for each user, but I want to sort on that. So under rows, where I put the assignee name, I'm going to click this button here. I'm going to, under sort, select by value, ascending, and then by count issues ID, click check. I think I'm going to want to make it descending actually, because I want to see the people with the most issues assigned to them first. So by value descending, check. Okay, finish. And now I have a crosstab table showing each person who has issues assigned to them and how many issues they have. Now, to facilitate drill down, I'm going to set this crosstab as a flyover for my chart. So I'm going to select the chart, right click, select properties, scroll down, select the crosstab under flyover, click OK. And then now, as you can see, my crosstab is filtered based on my selection in the pie chart. So if, for example, I'm going to select resolved issues, now my table updates to show the users with the most number of resolved issues. I can also see how many of my users have reopened issues and who has the most issues reopened. And that's how you create a dashboard that pulls data from your Jira account using the free web app StyleBI.